Hi, this is Carlos from Agile Intelligence, and I want to welcome you to this project simulation course. In this project, we're going to build a personal project management tool with SpringBoot, React, and Redux. Some of the things you're going to learn is to create a RESTful API with Spring Boot 2.0. We're going to secure this API by using Spring Security and JSON Web Tokens. We're going to create a basic front end with ReactJS. We're going to consume the Spring Boot API with Axios, and then we're going to implement basic state management with Redux. In the end, we're going to deploy this to the Heroku's free tier. Our guiding principles are practical experience by implementing real use cases that will help you grow beyond the course. And I want to stop here for a second. We're always going to be doing project-based learning. This will help you get a real good portfolio. We're always implementing real use cases. In this case, we're always building tools that support the software development process. Tools that you as a developer would use. And that will motivate you to grow beyond the course. Because these tools are so close to your day-to-day. This will actually motivate the mindset of this tool could also. And this will help you get additional practice. This will also encourage you to do more research onto adding more and more advanced features to this tool. Because you're building it in the context of what you do every day, you're going to want to make it better and better. And this will only help your skills because it's going to motivate you to practice more. The ideal student for this course is somebody who has basic knowledge of Java and the Spring framework. Somebody who has basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. More importantly, with the ES6 syntax. You need to already have an ID of choice for Spring development. And you need to have a basic experience with JSPs or Timeleaf. We're not using these technologies, but having that previous experience is going to come in handy. You need to have basic knowledge of Git and GitHub. If you don't have this one particularly, don't worry because it's a quick read. And then previous experience with React and Redux will help for sure, although it's not required because we do take it step by step and it will be a good practical introduction to these technologies. Another requirement is that you need to be able to set up your development environment. Whether it's Windows, macOS, or Ubuntu, you need to have Java 8 there. You need to have your preferred IDE and text editor. You need to have the latest version of Maven, the latest version of MySQL and MySQL Workbench, Git Bash if you're on Windows, and Node.js installed in your environment. So with these prerequisites, you should be able to be successful in this course. In the next video, I'm going to show you the app that we're going to be building throughout this course.